Sounds like I don't need to talk to Vince,
Yeah.
but I'd love to have his number.
No. If there is a potential here for improving the landlord's position, I certainly do not want to stand in the way of that. Hello?
Denise.
That would be me, yes.
Hi, Denise. My name's Danny. I'm interested in leasing some space. One of the other tenants gave me your number, and I would like to become a tenant.
Retired, so I cannot help you, but I can tell you who can.
Oh, well, thank you. That means a lot. I guess they are misinformed over there. Who do I call?
Okay. Is this a cell phone that you're talking on?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why don't I text you the telephone number of the new property manager, and he would be happy to help you. I do not know if there's anything available there. I doubt it, but you never know. Could happen.
Yeah, have
Okay,
text
how
me
much
Vince's
space?
number.
What kind of business do you have?
Well, if you want, we can talk about all of it. But if you're retired and he's the guy,
No.
one of the tenants is trying to sell the business. It's a longer story.
One of the tenants. So you want to purchase a business, and that's existing there?
No, I don't.
Okay. Well, I would like to be able to discuss this with Vince.
Okay, I'm in the coin laundry business. I'm in the coin laundry business. I own 36 laundromats in the tri-state area. So my partner and I were always looking for coin laundromats that are underperforming, to put it politely.
Did you see what I saw?
And this is a bit of a mess. So I want to talk terms if and when the time comes. The landlord wants good tenants, and I want another laundromat. So that's how we come together on these things.
Okay, well, I just want to say that generally we don't get involved with these things. The landlord never gets involved with them. If you want to purchase,
nor should the landlord get involved, nor should he.
Exactly. So I don't know what you're asking for.
Let me explain. This is an introduction. When that tenant leaves, I would like to be in second position. I'm not asking you to do anything today. And you told me you're retired. So.
Yes, but I did manage the property almost for 50 years.
Excellent.
So I would like to guide my successor in things that happen to land on my desk as this did.
And the fear is that I'm selling something which I am not, because my day-to-day
No.
spent operating several successful stores. And what I want to do is spend a few hundred. No, you're a highly intelligent, motivated woman. God bless you. You're looking out for Vince and the landlord and your previous tenant. I get all of that. I just want to become the next tenant, and that should make sense. I don't buy laundromats because I see it a recipe for disaster. I
see. So you're basically okay. So you are waiting for him to collapse, and you want to be the next guy.
He's already collapsed. The laundromat's already a wreck. I go in there. There's equipment missing. The change machine's out of order. They close their doors at 8 p.m. That's just not how to run a laundromat. If that's the type of tenant you want, great.
Well, he's fairly new. He's fairly new there, and he owns the lease.
Oh, that's even worse.
Well,
when they sell the business from one failed operator to the next, it's even worse.
People got to talk themselves into law and order before they do anything about it. Maybe because down deep they don't care. They just don't care.
Sounds like I don't need to talk to Vince, but I'd love to have his number.
No. If there is a potential here for improving the landlord's position, I certainly do not want to stand in the way of that. Okay. And if there's something that you and Vince have to talk about, I want you to talk about it. I just simply wanted to understand what the call was about, because Vince usually doesn't call me unless. And by the way, you should also know that I am no longer on the payroll, but I have been compensated to field calls. Okay, so that's why I'm asking all these ditzy questions. Okay.
Not
So,
ditzy at all. Not at all.
well, the
Look,
thing
the
is,
way the world works now, everyone is afraid that someone is selling them something, and I'm not.
no, no,
have
I'm not afraid of
physically
that. I
scouted
am a,
this laundromat with my partner. We have been inside of it. I know what it smells like. I know that they don't clean the lint traps. And here's the thing. If we would have been in connection a year or so ago, before it changed hands, before they were able to sell their business, perhaps I would be in
Mhm.
position there and I would have spent the money on brand new equipment, which is what the community needs, what the business needs.
Well, you cleaned this town up. You made it fit for women and kids to live in.
And therefore, what the
Right.
landlord
Well,
needs.
that was kind of the plan. Okay. But I don't know exactly what happened because shortly after he took possession, I went into retirement and I just wasn't going up there anymore to check things out and look at things anymore. That's somebody else's purview and I do not want to interfere with him. But I'm going to text you Vince's cell phone number, a very capable guy. And you should have a discussion with him about it because if the laundromat is failing, as you say, he's got to be prepared for that. Okay.
Correct.
So, yeah. And in fact, you've done us a favor because I didn't know any of that was going on. And I don't know if he knows it.
Well, how would
Because,
you? You know, you might eat a falafel once in a
well, I
while, but
wouldn't
you don't go
because,
into a laundromat. I don't blame you for not knowing what
no,
the
well,
business should
it's
look
not
like.
even, well, the thing is, there are files that I am no longer, and programs I am no longer privy to. I don't get the rent rolls anymore. I don't know who's paying rent and who isn't. I don't know who seems to be in trouble and who doesn't.
Denise, God
Okay,
bless you. I'm
so
Danny. Send me Vince's info and we'll chop it up. I promise you that. I appreciate you more than you
okay,
know.
real good, Danny. Okay, and who gave you my phone number? Everybody there should really know that I'm retired.
A guy
Oh, you
at
don't want to say.
a guy at the supermarket, Willie.
Oh, good old Willie. Yeah,
Good old
he's
Willie.
a good guy.
He still knows
Old
that you're
Willie,
in charge over there.
Yeah, well, I think he hopes that I'm in charge. No, but our new guy is really very special. He's a very good guy. So he's really good at the rules, and he's really good with the public. He's really good with tenants and landlords and the like. So I will send you his cell phone number right now. Okay, Danny?
Thank you.
All right, you're quite welcome. Bye-bye.
Please kill me instead. Just kill me. I am sure that she is going to do exactly that, Raul. And when she does, we will get back on and we will call Vince. Drive safe.
Okay.
Goodbye. Wow, what a nice lady. I mean it.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.